how we involved the young people is actually that when we were drafting the project and when we were creating a curriculum for the workshops, we actually involved young people whether they think that some skills are more or less needed for them. So that's the first step. While we were planning, we were involving them, while later on they were direct beneficiaries in terms of they were the ones who were involved in the workshops, whose skills were actually developed, but they also were involved in terms that when we were gathering stakeholders, when we were gathering parents' councils, we were also bringing and involving young people who had a say, who were able to say, look, I'm a young person, I attend this school, this is something that bothers me in my school, and this is how I think that it should be improved. So we gave them the floor to be a star, to be somebody who can actually suggest a solution, but most importantly, we were giving them resources as part of the also funds within the project to actually create and to implement campaign within their schools, so that through their own experience they could actually see how hard it is to change opinions of young people and how hard it is to create something that would be interesting for young people to be involved. So we are very proud that they were involved in each of the dimensions, and one of the most important things is that we are constantly forgetting that we have a lot of young professionals there. So our, how to say, standard in working with young people is that at least 50% of the staff who works with young people are young people. And we are very proud that actually even psychologists, social workers and other experts who were involved in the work with young people were actually young professionals below 30 years old, which means that we even had a youth team which made this Empower Youth program actually a project that empowered youth not only as beneficiaries but also as professionals working on implementing evidence-based program.